There are many swimming pool dehumidifier models and makes you can get with these wall-mounted dehumidifiers, which just require mounting on the wall, and they will do their job. Then starts from around 3,000 euros with local VAT and with the installation works and cost, and then somewhere around 6,000–7,000 euros for a residential pool or a small hotel pool. Then if you're looking at more complex installations with the air ducting, you are looking at maybe 4,000–5,000–6,000 euros up to 8,000–9,000–10,000 euros. And then you have the category of a bigger ventilation units where the price tag could be several tens of thousands of euros up to hundreds of thousands of euros.